Do you need to disable BitLocker? If so, then you can watch this video tutorial to learn more about disabling BitLocker from your computer. Now the first method you can do is to use the control panel. So to do it, open Start menu, type in Manage BitLocker, click on it, click the drop-down icon in the new window, then click Turn off BitLocker. Now doing so causes BitLocker to begin decrypting your drive. Additionally, you can also use a command prompt. All you have to do is search for command prompt with admin rights, tap in the following, then press enter. Now you just have to change the drive letter you want to decrypt. Once done, wait and check for the status of your BitLocker. Lastly, you may also use the PowerShell of your computer. Do that by opening Windows PowerShell as an admin, then type in the following, replace the drive letter, then press enter. Now this will start decrypting the drive. And those are the different options that you have in order for you to disable BitLocker encryption on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.